you're working on your wood stove, and you're gonna put a new damper in it. Okay. So you bought this thing here on eBay for $6. You bought this at a local hardware store for $8. That's 14 buckets, right? Isn't that like, you could get one already assembled for $24? Don't you think that's what you need to do? Take this back. Spend another 20 bucks. It's worth it. But if you're stuck, like I am, and you don't know how to do this, here at Buzzy Boo's Lab, we will tell you. We'll fix you right up here on how to do this and save you $10 or $15. Okay, you're going to need a hammer and a drill, alright, and a table. So, the first thing that I've done is I've selected in me a drill bit that is smaller than that thing there. That way when you punch it through, it'll be an airtight seal. Okay, now, the main thing that we are considering here is, what we don't know, is how in the heck do you take this thing out of there? You know, it's like put in a vise and hammer it. No, that's not how. This is how. You just push it in and turn it 180 degrees, and then you just pull it out like that. That's all there is to it. Okay, simple as that there. Alright? Nothing to it. Okay, now we're going to hit on this, so take the spring there and put the spring down on the side of it like that there. Alright? We're going to use this for the prick punch there. I know. I'm going to drill mine through this side here where it's double seamed right there. Okay, that'll have to do. I'll take this stuff off of here like that. Push it through here. Okay, we need to go to a bigger hole. Getting old. Okay, so drill this hole out here. Oop. Straighten out. Hit it with a hammer. Like this. There, like that. That's a nice seal right there. And okay, then now maybe you just can see through it a little bit better. So then turn this thing in here so that it's kind of more or less centered in there. You don't want it to be off at an angle or it's not going to open and close. And about like that there. Push on that real hard so it don't slip. And take your hammer. Okay, so it's really not that hard of a thing of a project to undertake. Actually, a Cub Scout could do it, but it'd probably take the Boy Scouts in this neighborhood. Alright, now you take the screwer here and you can put this one back on it last, right? It's not, you know, not a big deal. We're not going to make a big production of it. Take this washer here, put it on there. Take the spring, put it on there. Take the other washer, put it on there like that. Right, okay, then insert it into the hole, about like that. And now come down here. Whoops. I forgot to do something. Bash that in like that. Okay. That way it makes the exact size. Now it's kind of squished. Open her back up so she's round again. Okay, stick the screwer through there like that. And grab this thing here and kind of like push it through there. Screw it through there like that, and then push it out of the other side still like that. Then you got the problem of locking it in place here. It shouldn't be no problem. Slid in there. Now turn it around 180 degrees and pop it in place, and then turn it back 180 degrees and pull it back, and there she is, and she's locked into place right there, like that. Okay, now put this here spring back on there. He's off to the races.